Hello, I'm Darius. This is Arvin. We're two passionate college engineers who created Clydro in our dorm with the goal of sustainability in mind. And this right here is Clydro.
So Clydro is a device that takes in soil moisture data as well as weather data and gives you accurate readings on when to actually water your plants. This helps to reduce the amount of water that is wasted on watering your lawn and your plants by taking into account the actual moisture of the soil as well as when it's going to rain in order to give an accurate reading of when to actually water your plants.